go forward. Yep.
Okay, everybody, Lucas, everybody, ready to go? Woohoo!
Just haven't got any maidens.
Lucas, how are you feeling, mate?
Good.
I don't think Luke.
Alrighty. Get down, yeah. And they're off.
Woohoo! Gunboat and it's
Hey Liam. Liam. Hello mate. What's going on, buddy?
I don't know.
You know, a bit unsure. Huh?
Just haven't been this far in the water before.
Ah.
Oh yeah, it is right there. What did you say? What?
Hello people.
Hello.
Hello. We are here.
This is exciting.
This is
Hello. You're so funny.
oh there. That one's got half its top fin missing.
They get in bites, don't they?
Probably sharks, yeah. They'll be around here, boys. There's one over there, and there's one there around here. Where's the one that was here? There's one over there. There's the other one. There's one here, here. So the top fin's gone. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Its dorsal fin's gone.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on.
There's two over there. There's one here, right here, coming up.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you're supposed to be on the left.
There's no boats around.
No. You probably have to turn there.
He's right here. He's right next to the boat.
Oh, I can see it.
Yeah. Ah, right there. Oh, he's right there. He's right here. There's three of them together there now. Look how close they are. They're right next to us. Just about to touch it. I've never been this close to dolphins in the wild. He's right in front of the boat here. It's dolphins. Oh.
There's the half in one.
You can even just, as long as you've got a hold of that, you'll feel if a fish tugs on it and you'll know to grab that. And...
Who's going to get one first?
Hey.
is the question.
My line is there, Trina. I
Okay.
can just see the line. In the sand. Where's the fish?
Yeah,
Well, the
well,
fish would be in this area.
Oh, there's school of fish! School of fish!
School of fish.
Green to red, oceans ahead.
We're still 2 meters deep. Marty's a hoon.
Loving it.
Feeling the love.
What'd you get? You got a fish? Yeah, that's the ones I saw. That's the ones I
There's
saw.
like billions of them. And
Wow.
You gotta grab him like that, and you gotta pull the hook out and then throw him back.
okay.
Grab him right around, because this here, he might have, some fish have spikes that come up.
Yeah, he does. Look.
That's why you gotta grab him by the top. That's his top. You gotta grab around so it holds the spikes in. Right in, like this. Yeah, now use your other hand. Grab the hook from there, yeah. You gotta pull the barb right, that's it. Now put him back.
Put him back.
Put him
Gotta
back
give him a
in.
kiss.
Wait, can I please hold him? He's slippery. He's like a sardine.
Oh, you can't breathe.
Go, go. Put him back. That's it. Yeah.